wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. Today, we are going to cook a wonderful special jollof rice. So let's cook it together. Here are the ingredients, the things that we are going to use for this our jollof rice. I have turkey here. I have bell leaf. I have garlic powder. I have this seasoner to season our turkey. I have thyme, tomato paste, and curry is here. I have salt. So I have these tomatoes here and sweet pepper, and I have the hot pepper. I have these 2 tomatoes, but I don't think I'm going to use 2. I may likely use 1. And I have some butter. I'm just going to take just a little of the butter. I'm not going to use all. I have onions and spring onions. I have 2 garlic and 2 Maggi. So we have our oil here. So let's get started. I will go ahead and wash our turkey. I will use some salt to wash our turkey. Wash the garlic and wash pepper, 1 pepper, and wash the onions and blend. Add water. Boil the turkey, add thyme, add garlic powder, add salt, add seasoner, then add the blended onions. The blended onions and pepper and garlic. Add curry, add your bell leaf and 1 Maggi. Cover, allow it to steam for 3 minutes. So wash your sweet pepper and tomatoes and onions. blend them together. I'm using this one to blend the tomatoes. I will not add any water. Blend all the tomatoes together. So pour your tomatoes. Add water. Cover. Oh, check the meat. Come and see the aroma. So our tomatoes is boiling here. I'm using this electric pot to cook my jollof rice. So I will go ahead and slice my onion. I'm going to use it to fry the stew. So add oil to the electric pot. Add onion. Add the tomato paste. I will add a little water. Then I will have curry. I will have my thyme. Add salt. I will add the bay leaf. Add Maggi. So I'm going to leave these tomatoes for 10 minutes before I will have our made tomatoes. Our meat is done now. the meat in air fryer. So this is our tomatoes. I will then go ahead and add the other tomatoes to it. I'm adding the tomatoes. Let's measure our rice. It's a friend of mine that bought this thing for me. Please help me to thank her in the comment section. I'm going to cook 6 cups of beef. Wash the rice first with hot water. Then warm water. Then I will wash with cold water. I'm going to wash it 4 times. Once with hot water, once with warm water, twice with cold water. So our rice is clean. So add your rice. Add salt. I'm not going to add curry or that kind because I'm going to add the meat water. It has a lot of all these ingredients. Add just 1 Maggi with a little water. Allow it to boil. Let's check our rice. Wow. Let's check if we are going to add just a little water. Yeah, I'm going to add a little water. I'm adding water. Minutes more. Let's check the rice. You can see our jollof rice. So we are not adding any water. I will go ahead and add my butter, my spring onions, and my sliced onions. I will add my sliced onions. My spring onion, so I will then mix together. So I will leave for 2 minutes. So we are through with the meat. You can see our delicious jollof rice. Who is going to test it? Should I? Wow. So I remove the plug. I'm through. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you. Bye.